Okay, today, boys and girls, we are going to start drawing our portraits. So portrait is a picture of a person, and we're going to start almost with like an egg shape, and we're just going to do the head. So we're going to make an oval or an egg shape. And notice how I'm drawing very lightly because I want to be able to erase my guidelines and I'm going to draw. And if you draw light, then I can erase no problem. If I draw really dark, I can't erase that. So try to go super light, okay? So the first step is our head. And then we're gonna divide the head, because it's symmetrical, that means the same on both sides. I'm gonna divide it in half long ways, so vertically, and then I'm gonna divide it in half horizontally, okay? So I have 4 sections. This bottom section, I'm gonna divide that in half one more time, and then this bottom section is gonna go in half, okay? And I have 2 more guidelines I have to draw. I have 3 horizontal, now I'm gonna have 2 more vertical. I'm gonna divide from here, the middle line, this section, this half, in half, and the other side in half. Almost looks like a hockey mask. These are our guidelines, so they're gonna help us figure out where to place our features. Our first feature we're gonna do are our eyes. Our eyes are gonna go on the middle of our head, and they're gonna go right where that vertical line almost makes a T. We're gonna start with a circle, that's the pupil of our eye, and we're gonna make another circle, that's the white part, and the colorful part, okay? And then I need to draw almost like a rainbow and a smile, and you want it to be touching. You can add in the white part. So this is our pupil, the iris is the colorful part, and then we have our white eyeball, okay? And notice how the eyeball is tucked under the arch, okay? Then I can add some eyelashes, and then another line, that is like our crease. And gentlemen, boys, you do have eyelashes, so we need to add those in on the top and the bottom. So let's do that again. We're gonna start with a little dot. This is just practice. That's our pupil. Draw a circle around it. That's our colorful part. We're gonna draw our rainbow, and we're gonna draw our smile, okay? And try to get them as equal as you can. And then we'll put another line inside for our pupil, or for a white part of our eyeball, okay? Then I can add my shadow line now, my crease, and then add my eyelashes. So your eyes are in the middle of your head. Your nose is gonna be on this next line. It's gonna be right in the middle. And we're gonna make a U, and then we're gonna make a parenthesis on one side and a parenthesis on the other side. And if you wanna do a little shadow of a line for the edge of your nose going up, you can. This other line is our lip line. So to make our lips, we're going to start over here, and they're gonna come, and it's gonna make like a big M, so watch that. I'm gonna make an M, or like 2 little mountains. And then around the bottom, I'm gonna make a slight smile. And depending how big or how thin your lips are, that's how you'll make that. And then the inside of your lips, this would be the part that would open up, okay? Because the edge of your lips end up actually meeting the middle of your eye. We need to also add our ears. Those start where your eyes start, and they come down to your nose. So you're gonna come down and kind of swoop around, and then do the same little swoop on the side. Okay. The hairline typically starts in the middle up here. So if I'm going to be making like a boy or a male, I'll maybe do like short hair. I could do some parts sticking up, and the sideburns would come to the part of the ear, right in the middle. Could add some extra lines in here. Now, if I have longer hair, the girls can come to the side. It can be swooped down like that. It could be up in a bun up here, and the hair could be pulled back. So there's many ways to do girl hairstyles depending on how you want it. If you want to have a pony, it might look something like that, okay? Then we'll take our neck and we'll add our shoulders, okay? So I would like you to practice. I will pause this, we'll keep going through, and you can rewind and replay me again. Good job.